Editing your website on SiteGround is straightforward, whether you're using a content management system like WordPress or directly accessing files. Here's how to edit your website using SiteGround's tools. Log into SiteGround. Visit the SiteGround website and log into your account using your credentials. Access Site Tools. Once logged in, navigate to the Websites tab and click on Site Tools next to the domain of the website you want to edit. Edit website using WordPress. If your website is built on WordPress, click WordPress from the left-hand menu in Site Tools. You can access the WordPress dashboard from here. Once inside WordPress, go to Pages or Posts to edit content or customize your site by navigating to Appearance, Customize. Directly edit website files. If you want to edit code or static files, go to the File Manager in the Site Tools dashboard on their side. Find the file you want to edit and use the Edit button to modify HTML, CSS or PHP files directly. Save changes. Make sure to save any changes you make in WordPress or File Manager and preview your website to ensure everything looks correct.